class, I'm going to be starting to read the book. But before we start, I wanted to go over some vocabulary that we are going to be learning and that we are going to be hearing in the story. We're going to go over the words that we went over on the board previously. And when I'm reading the story, I want you to pay attention and make sure that we are listening to see if we hear the words. The first word that we're going to be listening for is add. Add, to find the sum of two or more numbers. Addition, the act of adding numbers together. Plus sign, a symbol used to show addition. Sum, the number you get when you add two or more numbers together. Symbol, a sign that stands for something else. So today, like I said, we are going to be reading our story, If You Were a Plus Sign. As we can see in the front, it does have different animals and in the back as well. So students, from looking at the book and from the words that we have reviewed, what do you guys think that today we're going to be learning about? Okay, thank you. If You Were a Plus Sign by Trisha Speed Shaskin, illustrated by Francesca Carabelli. You would help add things together. Ida plus Ike equals true love. They make a family of two. 1 plus 1 equals 2. Ida and Ike have a cub called Ina. They make a family of 3. 2 plus 1 equals 3. Ida, Ike, and Ina love pets. They have 2 seals. They make a family of 5. 3 plus 2 equals 5. If you were a plus sign, you would be a symbol used to show addition. You would be part of an addition problem. Selma juggles 5 red balls plus 2 green balls. That's a total of 7 balls. 5 plus 2 equals 7. Trig jumps through 4 blue hoops plus 4 purple hoops. That's a total of 8 hoops. 4 plus 4 equals 8. If you were a plus sign, you would be used like the word and. Doodle gives Pluck 3 daisies and 6 roses. 3 and 6 equals 9. 3 plus 6 is 9. Pluck gives Doodle 1 Valentine and 8 chocolates. 1 and 8 equals 9. 1 plus 8 equals 9. If you were a plus sign, you would help make a sum. The sum is the total of 2 or more numbers. 5 plus 5 equals 10. 5 bulldogs met 5 tigers to play basketball at the park. They made a sum of 10 players. 5 plus 5 equals 10. 6 bulldogs plus 6 tigers showed up to cheer them on. They made a sum of 12 cheerleaders. 6 plus 6 equals 12. If you were a plus sign, you could work from left to right or top to bottom. 4 plus 3 equals 7. Spotty cooks 4 blueberry pancakes for herself and 3 plain pancakes for Dottie. 4 plus 3 equals 7. Spotty stacks the 3 plain pancakes, the 4 blueberry pancakes on a plate. 3 plus 4 equals 7. If you were a plus sign, you could add any order and still get the same sum. A frightened frog leaps across 4 lily pads and then bounces onto 2 or more lily pads. He jumps on 6 lily pads all together. 4 plus 2 equals 6. A frightened frog leaps across 2 lily pads and then bounces onto 4 more lily pads. He jumps on 6 lily pads all together. 2 plus 4 equals 6. If you were a plus sign, you could add any amount of numbers. You could add 2, 3, 4, or more. You would get the same sum no matter how the numbers were arranged. 5 elephants plus 4 hippos plus 3 rhinos equals 12 to show animals. 5 plus 4 plus 3 equals 12. 5 elephants plus 3 rhinos plus 4 hippos equals 12, show animals. If you were a plus sign, you could help solve story problems. Cherry juggles 5 red balls. She adds 3 green balls and 2 orange balls. How many balls does Cherry juggle in all? Who can guess how many balls he can carry? If it's 5 plus 3 plus 2, who can tell me? Correct, 10. 5 plus 3 plus 2 equals 10. You would always help add things together if you were a plus sign. Thank you.